Hey everyone, welcome back to Code with Ro. Today we're diving into the world of SVG in HTML5. SVG stands for Scalable Vector Graphics, and it's a powerful tool for creating graphics directly in your browser without using JavaScript. Whether you're a brand new programmer or just new to SVG, this lesson is for you. Let's get started. SVG is an XML-based format for defining vector graphics. Unlike raster graphics like PNGs or JPEGs, vector graphics are scalable without losing quality. This makes SVG perfect for logos, icons, illustrations, and more. Here's how you can create a simple SVG using HTML. So I have my index.html, and in our body tag, I'll create SVG, and I'll have the width of 200 and the height of 200 as well. And within my SVG tags, let's start with a rect, or a rectangle. And I'll have the X as 10, the Y as 10, and the width will be 100, the height of 50, and let's fill it with blue. So now when I hit Control Save, you'll see this blue rectangle appear. Now let's try creating a circle. So I'll use the circle tag, and I'll do Cx is equal to 100, Cy for the y-axis of the circle will be 100, the radius will be 40, and let's do the fill as green. And I'll close the tag and hit save. So when I hit Control Save, I actually need to change the radius to R. And now when I hit Control Save, you'll see this green circle appear. And now let's create some text. So I'll create an X of 50 and a Y of 50, a Y of 150. And let's choose a simple font family of Arial and a font size of 20. And let's fill it with red. And we'll type in hello SVG. And that's it. I'll hit Control Save and you'll see my text appear here. You can also add interactivity to SVG elements using CSS and JavaScript if needed. SVG images can be made accessible to screen readers and other assistive technologies. SVG allows you to create various shapes using XML tags. Here are some examples below. So we can do rect for rectangles, circle for circles, ellipse for ellipses, line for straight lines, and so on. You can style SVG elements using CSS, just like HTML. You can set properties like fill, stroke, and stroke width to control the appearance of your shapes. And that's it for today's lesson on SVG and HTML5. I hope you found this introduction helpful. Practice creating your own SVG graphics and see what you can come up with. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Code with Ro for more coding tutorials. Happy coding, and I'll see you in the next lesson.